Hey, Tim Irway here, and they say the best way to evaluate a mentor or a coach or someone to really invest in is by way of looking at their students, the people that they've helped along the way. And if that's any indication, then there's nobody that comes even close to what Mike Dillard has been able to do, the kind of impact he's been able to make in the world and the contribution that he's made to multiple people's lives and businesses. I've had the distinct pleasure of knowing Mike for the last going on 16 years now, and I've seen just how much thought, focus, care, concern, and really intention he puts into everything that he does, every product he creates, every time he puts on an event, which is very rare, and every time that he really offers any kind of coaching or mentorship program. So if you're considering investing in Mike, I wholeheartedly, unequivocally can give him my highest endorsement and just tell you that if you really want to change your life, if you want to change your results in business, then there's really nobody else I can think of that can help you more so than Mike Dillard. So definitely take the leap, jump off the fence, and invest in him. You've made a wise choice by doing so.